Robot, Pretty Polar, and Lemon School. Today, we are going to be doing 5 ASMR triggers that will trigger you. Yes, first one is the conga drums. Flashlights. Trigger, we have MREs. Man, these are good. Where'd you guys get these from? Oh, that was amazing food. Oh, I feel something tingling.
Try to do this, right? So you go 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yeah! But what is 10 minus 10?
What's the frick? What about the no? There's no.
Yeah, there is no. Yo, Green, do you like Christmas? Do you like Christmas?
Yeah.
You do like Christmas? How old are you? How old are you? I need to tell Santa how old you are.
I am 4.
You're 4 years old? You're the youngest person ever.
Okay guys, my name's Timmy, and I'm singing a song because I want to be a rapper when I grow up. It's called Legends Never Die. Legends never die. When the world is calling you, you hear them screaming out your name. Legends never die. They become a part. Hey, what's going?
That's so Bonds, get out of here!
Yeah, you suck.
Wait.
Ha, you missed. That was like so far away from me. Like, how could you miss that far? Like, I'm sorry.
Green light. Go, see how we go, red light.
Stop! I played these games before! If you move, you will be shot!
Hey.
There's guys in the wall! Do not move!
Hey, you know you're out, right?
What's good, guys? It's JJ, and today we're gonna be buying a rabbit. Let's go.
God damn it! You got me! You got me! Stop eating people! Stop eating cows! You eat so many children! So many...
Hello? I would like to buy rabbit. A little rabbit. I want to buy a rabbit.
Okay. Here you go, my boy. He does bite.
Ah! Stop it! Ah! Stop it! Ah! You
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, trying on all our clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
Bro, this is so...
Pop it, twist it, pull it, bend it, extend it, load it. What? Load it. Cock it. Read it.
Your target is Senator Carlton McDougal. The 15th floor of the Gilmore building will provide an unobstructed vantage point.
Memorize it. Burn it. Aim it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Squeeze it.
I can't
Squeeze
do
it.
I can't.
Squeeze it.
Ah! God, help me.
Beat it! Hoof it! Book it!
Who are you? What are you doing?
Fake it!
I was playing with my toy. I want my mommy. Why is your toy smoking?
End it!
Kiss! Give me that bobbin kid!
Let me go!
I remember looking through that people.
I can make your cat clap. I can make your cat clap.
You kill me for that.
Yay! Can make your cat clap.
Hola, Bobby G. ¿Cómo te llamas? Welcome to the Thanos world. I like you.
Bro, Bubby, what are you doing?
Why not give a fuck? Let me show you right now before you give it up.
Bubby! What? Bobby! Alright, Jimmy, you said you want to go back to Billy Bob?
I want to get my dynamite checked out by Billy Bob. It's because, you know, it's kind of too blocky.
Jimmy, I think it's just shaped that way, but oh, whatever. Come on.
Alright.
Billy Bob! Check out his dynamite. It looks weird.
Let me see your dynamite. So what's wrong with it, though?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit too blocky.
Well, it's just shaped that way, Jimmy.
Nuh-uh, it's freaking dumb butt, monkey touch, shaped it this way. It's supposed to be circle, but he's not circling
Well,
it
can you
correctly.
fix
See how
it?
it's like square? I'll try.
Jimmy? What was that?
Nothing.
Billy
No,
Bob.
I can't fix it, sadly. He
Well,
broke
Jimmy-
it too much. Okay, well, can you trade me? Oh, yeah, I'll trade you. Okay, then.
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God!
Yeah, come here, look. You got some presents. From Santa Claus. Grab your presents and let's go open them. Alright, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Gotta tell about toe. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy. Let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in
I
there.
sound like metal.
Alright, let's see.
Hey. A grenade!
Oh my God, Harry, bro. Oh my God, I keep crashing into everything. Oh, let go of the car. Join app now. Oh my God. Oh, chicken. Eat that.
La 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 la. La la.
Stop eating the chicken and come on now, we can get going. Chicken then, come on, bro. Oh. Wait, look. Oh my God. Come on, bro, go this way then.
Fuck off.
By the way, Harry, it's official. No! One has to. You don't have to see me. He saw me. Harry, bro, where you at? Who's this?
Whoa, this toy store is so cool. Whoa, look at all the robots. Wait, I wonder if...
Howdy!
Whoa, they talk.
Howdy!
One more time.
Howdy!
Oh, that's all they say. Well, that's kind of boring. Oh well.
Man, your bitch ass is boring.
Did one of them just say something? No, that one's not turned on. That one's not turned on. What the?
Howdy!
Oh, okay, good.
Kill yourself.
Okay, good. Wait, what?
Kill yourself. Jump in a pit. I'm about to go boom, alright?
Wait, what does that mean?
Coca-Cola, yes, it is really good. Red light. Stop! I played these games before! Get out!
Okay, if I shoot you, you're in the clan. Sorry, you didn't make it into the clan.
Sir, I need you to fix my shotgun.
Alright, I'll fix the shotgun. Alright, just make sure to shoot it at something. Like, test
Okay.
it.
Mm.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm gonna kill you. I'm
No,
gonna kill you.
no!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you.
Sit back!
Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead! Don't let him go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Alright, bro, what can you give me for this piece of gold? Nah! Alright, bro, what can you give me for this? Okay, some beans or a steak? Nah, bro, I'm taking the beans, bro. Bro, I ain't taking these beans. Hey! Oh, nah, bro, we got a runner. Alright, bro, this is a diamond pickaxe, bro. You better have something good to offer. Oh, this was a W trade.
Bro, someone tell me if this fits hard.
What did you say? Yo, that is not hard, bro. What is that dude doing down there, bro? Alright, whatever. Hey, bro. Yo, why is your right arm bigger than the other?
Yo!
Yo, why do you look so dumb?
Missed that, bro.
Say hello. Don't steal my rocket.
I got the statue.
My backpack.
As you guys can see, it's now open.
Push me in.
Oh! Oh no, I'll save you.
What? If you move, you're cooked.
So, what are you talking about? Let's go find miners.
Call me Daddy.
Homer.
Daddy.
Homer.
Daddy.
Dad.
Yes?
Domer.
What?
You'll team
No.
up and kill a bunch of.
Yeah, I know. What?
You'll team up and kill a bunch of people.
No, I'm good. Anyone got a TP, guys? Anyone? Who's speaking in Morse code, bro?
Him!
Hey, you want some
Christmas fun?
Please stop. I love you.
No. No.
Oh, please don't do it again.
It's a bird! It's a plane! It's an egg salad sandwich!
Actually, guys, I think that's a bomb.
Wait, what? See, guys? It's not a bomb!
What's this guy?
If you put a bug in my cup, I will shut the fuck up. Cause you ain't gotta be a bother.
Okay, just shut up.
Give me a motherfucking
See.
dollar.
Okay, I have some change, so.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Do you know how much this is gonna be? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Where is he going?
Another idiot fell for it again.
What the fuck?
Look at all this, bro. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Yes, go get him!
Yo,
You thought you could do that? You suck! You die! You die! You freaking suck!
Like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
No! My precious swamp! No, it's frozen! It's all your fault!
What did I do?
No, you promised
Pikachu? Have a tiny Pikachu?
I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I'll trade it.
I need to look through it. Okay, wait, I need you to write it.
Well, no! You're fucking done! No, I'm not!
I keep crying, little Timmy. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game. Couldn't be me.
Kill him! One time, two times!
Like, imagine crying in a virtual game. Couldn't be me.
Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos. 1/4 cup milk. Smash. Keep smashing. Now, 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon flour. Microwave 1 minute.
Bro, what the fuck?
These are so fucking shit.
Yo, what is
LeBron?
Yeah!
Backpack? You want the tiny backpack?
I do a
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumb as hell.
What do you mean? It's an AI. We're not tracking an AI.
Well, no! You're fucking done! No, I'm not!
I keep crying, little Timmy. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game. Couldn't be me.
I gave you the company coins! Get him!
Okay, here, take it. Here. Oh, shoot. Oh no. Bro.
1% grimace shake. 10%. 30%. I need a poop. I need a poop. I need a poop. I need a 50%. Is that the 6-7 mango mustard? 75% Gorilla shake. Ladies first. I'ma fly up 6-7 feet. 100% grip.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are. Get this baby out of my face. I want that money. Yo, so where's my money? Jing Jing?
Oh, oh, stole your fist. Hey! No! No! Yo, take it back. Take it back, bro. I'm sorry.
Just jump down. It's not scary.
Okay. Here, jump down after me.
Alright.
Holy. Oh, I did it. Where's he?
Alright, bro, yeah, it's over here. You know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You climb the toilet. Okay.
Yeah.
What shit. Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell it!
Bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
Dude,
Oh!
don't.
Say your name whenever you're ready.
Marcus Weaver.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh, what the flip? Hey, get in the bag, though, guy.
Fuck no, bitch!
Get in the fucking bag!
Oh my god!
Okay, buddy, you gotta eat.
Fuck no, motherfucker!
Do it!
I'm fine, jeez! Motherfucker, goodness!
Okay, Bill, it's time to go swimming.
Fuck no, motherfucker!
Okay, Bill, it's time for your second broccoli.
Never flipping, loser! Okay, we're gonna flip. Is that Bill?
Yeah. Come on, Bill, I got your first present. Open it up.
Okay.
Oh, you're so stupid.
Yo, watch where you're going, nerd! What the fuck? Give me your lunch money! No, my lunch money! I'll give you my lunch money!
So, Bill, why did you know, like, do that to him?
Cause he's a flippin' loser! What'd you say to me, punk?
Stop! Another day playing Animal Company.
What the? Bill,
Bill?
you're supposed to be here!
Bill, why are you
I took
here?
over Ammo Company a while ago!
But Bill, what? What do you mean? Wait.
Damo, people.
Oh, how's fishing going, dude?
Oh, it's going pretty good. I think I caught something. It's pretty big.
What? Are you okay? What's going on? Oh my god!
Kappa! Do some tricks!
I got you, bro.
Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't do.
Oh my god! What is this? What can you show me?
Oh, hey, Bill.
Yo, Lutz! Bro, I found a gun, 10 over here. Bro, I see where I need a meal for here, bro.
Yeah, you can meet her.
Yes! Stop! Hey, LaQuisha, how's it going?
I'm seeing someone else, so I can't be with you. I'm sorry.
Are you serious? How you gonna be with someone else already?
Hello guys, welcome to Animal Company Inventions, and today we have 3 items to show off, and the first one is the Grapplinator 3000. It can grapple on multiple surfaces and is very useful to grapple on anything you want. Now that is the first invention. Let's get into the second one. Alright, and the second invention is the quintuple pump shotgun. You can kill anyone with this. Like even like a big anglerfish or an eye guy. Like literally, this is the best gun in the game. Yeah, anyways, on to the third invention. Alright, the next invention is called the Blinderator. And it's a weird invention that blinds you. So let's go try it out right now. Oh, sorry cameraman, I didn't mean to do that.
Say thank you.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.
What's hello? Welcome to the Gub Gub Hotel. Over there, we have a previous owner who didn't pay the fines for the room. They didn't pay the toilet bill.
You mean
Very
a gas?
nasty, they clogged the toilet.
Can we get our room card, please?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Your room will be up to the light, up there, right above my room.
Is there someone already here?
Thank you.
No. I think so.
Dang, this room might be a little too small for all of us, but we can make it work. Look at this beautiful view, guys.
Oh, I love it. It's too bad someone's taking them all the space.
Yo, they all like hear something? Like in the room over?
Guys, here's some essentials.
Yeah.
Here's some essentials.
Wait, what'd you say? Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
It's in the bag.
Yo, I think someone's sick.
Yeah, are you sure we're the only one in here? Because none of us are making this noise.
It's like loud neighbors. I don't know. It's like, are they okay?
Hey, stop cracking in there.
It's the toilet is clogged.
Should we go check out?
Alright, what should we do then? We should go check
we should
out
the
be
toilet.
like, yo, let's check. No! We should be like, let's check it out. What is that noise, bro?
What the?
What the? Yo, what?
Yo, you good,
Yo, this is
man?
horrible
You good,
service.
man?
No! What are y'all doing? Get out! This is the basement. What are you doing?
Yo!
Oh my god! Oh, shoot!
Yo!
Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
Okay, ready? Aim.
Yeah.
Fire! Honestly, I don't know about you, but shooting apples all day is kind of getting boring.
Yeah.
Ooh, I have an idea.
Yeah?
You're a good shooter, right?
Yeah, I'm a good shooter.
Oh, okay, good. Well, what if, just hear me out, what if I put the apple above my head and you gotta try and shoot it off my head?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
Alright, we
you
should
won't
do that.
miss though, you won't miss, right?
No, I'm good. I got this.
Okay.
Alright, put it on your head.
I'm kinda shaky.
Alright, you got this?
Yup.
You ready?
Yup.
Okay. Oh no. Please don't tell mom. Please don't tell mom. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
It hurts. I'm telling.
No, I can't do this
It
anymore.
hurts.
I can't do this anymore. I
I'm
can't do this
telling.
anymore. I ain't going back to timeout.
Please, Dad, money, please. No, it's just $1 fucking. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Bro, what the fuck are you doing back here, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Yo! Oh, hey, wait. This is my mama. She laid the egg before she died. That's my brother. This is her bones. See? Don't take my brother. Wait, what is this? Is it good? What is that? What is it? I don't want to eat that nasty ass shit, bro. Fuck you.
Oh my gosh! What the fuck are you doing here? Get the fuck back!
Oh yeah, this is so much fun! Oh fuck!
What the fuck happened? You fucking let me die! Fuck! Yeah! What the fuck are you doing? I give you this egg. This is my final dying wish. Take care of him. It's pointy because
Hello, my name is No More on Necro Master. It's Song Winter. I'll be singing a song for you, man. It's on big, so I practice. I hate this bitch. Trying to touch my dick.
You lost.
It's Stinny Club, it's 30 Club, man. I'll tweet you in my channel, make me crazy.
Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the whoa. I'm hitting the whoa.
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
Why you kill him? He's dead! Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
You're banned. I'm kicking you. That's it. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm tired.
You see me, you see me not. You see me, you see me not. You see me, you see me not. You see me.
Bro, that's the wrong freaking game, bro.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Shut the freak up is crazy.
Hey, that was mine!
Nope.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Owner, if you're the real owner, can you buy a suitcase? From
I
I'm the owner, friends. Yes, I'm the real owner.
Oh, bro,
No, you're not the owner. I just said your name. Owner?
guys.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Guys, he's not the
sorry,
owner.
It's colder.
It's just a mod.
It's
It's a mod.
colder. It's colder.
It's most.
Hopping in 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, that's it. Time to die.
But he's the one who exploded us in the first place.
Oh, really?
My finger slipped.
Oh, really?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
I just shot
Oh, really?
How does him pooping his pants have anything to do with me?
Oh, really?
Well, you just...
Oh, really?
Hey man, what's up? Hey, why'd you hit me?
Cause I don't like you. That's why I hit you.
You know what? Boys, come down here. Tie this man to a wall.
No!
This is what happens.
You like campfire.
It's on your nose.
Are you gonna be good now?
No.
You know what? Boys,
Can I get off the wall now?
get him.
Get there.